Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show demo about a new version I have released for Flavor.Maui plugin. In that I have added a button, different types of button control. So if you see here Mud Blazer, it's providing three types of button: fill button, then simple text button, then outline button. So similar way I have added here in this plugin. So if you see this document, here below you will see button control related documentation. Okay, so here flavor button, it has a several property. If you see, you can set different type of variant, then you can set different types of color. Also you can set start icon and icon. So let me just show you application demo so you get better idea. So here in this sample project, I have added button control card view. So if you select here, it will just show different types of button this plugin supporting. So here fill, outline and text. Also you can set primary, secondary, this all color properties. Then you can set different size for the button. You can enable dense mode also for all the button control, and here button control with icon also you can set. Then you can add loader also here in button. Then custom color also you can set for button background. Then corner radius you can set, button elevation you can set. Now this is a simple button. Now you can also use icon button. If you see here, it's providing different types of icon variant, fill, outline and simple button. Now floating accent button also this plugin supporting, so you can create different types of floating accent button. Simple, then you can set different size here, then you can set icon before text, then you can set icon before text and after text also, then icon size also you can set. Now you can also use floating accent button menu. So if you see here, you can create accent menu this way also. Also, I have added this sample project reference in this readme file, so you can just go through and download sample, and you can check like how you can use this all the buttons. Later on, I am going to add multiple control in same plugin. So just keep watching this video related to Flavor.Maui. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.